Hi everybody, I am busy fixing this microwave. You can see this microwave. Yeah, actually look like a new model. You can see this transform. How is the diode? There's a lot of diode inside, resistance, whatever. Yeah, means you don't have that history of a transform, normal transform. That transform is a converting the diode wherever resistance. Yeah, yeah, I'm just fixing this because this microwave is not making warm. Now I'm changing magnetron. I'm checking what is causing this microwave to not working. Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, I just changed the magnetron here. There's a magnetron. I must check also uh, this guy here, and then I must check diode whatever inside. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. Just follow, subscribe, and the comment and like.